G'day folks, in my previous video I was looking at the difficulty I was having getting polishing compound out of the threads of this oil tank cap. I think in the comments the best suggestion was putting masking tape on the threads before polishing, but as I'm not likely to make any more, that doesn't really count. A popular suggestion was acetone in an ultrasonic cleaner, so that's what I'm doing here. The acetone is in the basin and the basin's sitting in water in the ultrasonic cleaner. That's the result after 3 minutes. So I decided to put it in for some time more than that, 11 minutes in total. After a bit of experimenting I found that anything more than 10 minutes the results didn't really improve that much. Here you can see the result is fairly good, but certainly not clean enough as far as I'm concerned anyway. Using these wooden skewers to clean out the threads holding the thing in the lathe was also suggested, which I tried, but it really didn't achieve very much at all. So after the ultrasonic I ended up using a microfiber cloth, a thumbnail in the thread, and there you can see the result of how much compound came off the cloth there. When I took a photo of a cap to show you how nice and clean the threads were, I saw this on the edges of the cap, which meant I had to go round it again with the microfiber cloth. Once I was happy I'd got all the compound off, I laid them all in a box, took a photo of you to see how good they look. I'm really pleased with them, I must admit. So thank you for your suggestions and thank you for watching.